Okay, for this first question, we've got a bunch of data here, just a set of numbers. We've got to get the mean and standard deviation of these times. So you enter them into your calculator and you use your stats mode to get the mean and standard deviation. Then it says, in fact, as well as these 20 people, there were actually 23 people altogether, but 3 of them failed to solve it within the time of 60 seconds. So we've got to get the median and the interquartile range of the times. Okay, now your calculator can still cope, but obviously it needs to be working with 23 people. So you need to add in to your data set, you need to put in 3 values that you hope will not affect the median and standard deviation. So you need to think what kind of numbers you could put in this list. I mean, you could do it by hand. You could put all the numbers in order, which they pretty much are, and you could find the middle one, and you could find the quartiles. But once again, you'd have to think about whether 3 slots for these extra numbers would go in the list. So you might as well just enter 3 sensible values into your calculator. Okay, don't forget the interquartile range. You have to pick 2 values and do a subtraction. And then for the times taken, but for all 23 people, we've got to say why the mode wouldn't be appropriate and why the range is not going to be appropriate. And it's going to be a different kind of reason each time. So for the mode, you need to think, okay, how would I work out the mode of all of these numbers? You might want to try and decide what the mode of these numbers is. Obviously, there are 3 more as well. And then you need to talk about the range and why that's not appropriate. So again, you need to think, how would I work out the range? Okay, bearing in mind that it should be for all 23 people, and you need to be explaining the problem with that.